Hey, what's up everybody? Bradley Morris here from MAJIK Media, and in this video I want to talk about how to create your global movement by starting local. It's a crazy concept in the online marketing space, but hear me out. Everybody is trying to build online courses because we can reach a global impact, and I've been working in the online space for 15 years now, and I mean I have had massive numbers in my head for a decade and a bit. And truthfully, when I really reflect on where all of my successes have come from, it has been in helping to create the success in my immediate environment. So let's just say, I'll draw a little picture here. Let's just say that this is you, right here. That's you. That's you teaching. That's you doing your gift. That's you spreading your message. And let's just say this green circle here represents your local area. So let's just say your city or your town, right? So this is you in your city or town. Now just imagine each of these red dots are people. You're helping this person, you're helping this person, you're helping that person, and so on. You're helping the people in your immediate environment. People are coming to your workshops, you're doing coaching with them, you're building a reputation right there in the reality that you exist in, rather than this philosophical idea of the internet with all of these faceless people who you don't actually know, and you're helping them. So this is the idea, just stay with me here. Now let's just say that this blue circle represents the world. Now that's the world. Now let's just imagine you help enough of these people. You're actively serving the people in your community while building online content, while creating online courses, while doing webinars, all the things that you're currently doing. And those people start to tell more people. And all of a sudden, you know, Susie's telling her cousin. Joe's telling his cousin. This person's telling their dad, this person's telling a friend, this person's telling other people in their social media group, this person is introducing you to a company, and this person is helping to spread the word of your movement and how powerful your work is. And all of a sudden, your local people are spreading your work globally. This isn't just like an idea or a theory. When I started teaching meditation, I did 500 workshops in 2.5 years in Victoria, British Columbia. I taught and taught and taught. I refined my craft. While refining my craft, I started putting stuff online, but the bulk of my business came from local people. The local people were the first people to start buying my online courses, and then they slowly spread. They have since spread, since 2012, to over 70 countries. And that's because I focus so much on right in my own environment. You think about it, I mean, people are naturally going to trust you more when you're selling them something if you live in the same city or town, or at the very least within 100 kilometers or miles of them. And those people, if you do your job right, those people are gonna tell other people. And I'm not saying like, stop creating your online courses. I'm not saying to stop teaching your online webinars. I'm saying, how can you harness the power of your local environment and the relationships you have around you to expand beyond? Because let's just say you have a full coaching service or full therapy service right now that you provide in your local area, and you're like, I need to get online so I can spread this further. These people that you've been serving for months or years who have been going through transformation, when you launch your online thing, those are going to be the first people to sign up for the new offering. And they're also going to be the first people to say, hey Joe, I've been telling you about this coach I've been working with for years. They now have a thing and I think you should sign up for it. And so this is what I mean by starting your movement locally. Same thing happened with a recent partnership client that we started out with. We had a massive launch in January, and she's somebody that I met a couple years ago at a dog park. And we built a relationship, and then we partnered up, and then we crushed it in January with her membership launch. So that is focusing locally. So think about it for just a moment. What can you do? How can you serve in your local area if you're not already doing that? And if you've been serving in your local area and you've built your reputation up and you feel like you've refined your craft, how can you help these people that you've been serving in your local area to spread the word about your online memberships, your courses, your programs, your webinars, and all that sort of stuff? Have you asked? Because they're probably not going to share it unless you ask. So use this, start here with what's in front of you, create change here, and it will spread for you. Hopefully that helps. Go get them.